Tonight, a bitter war of words has erupted between two Republicans who want to become the state's next governor.
Assemblyman Tim Donnelly has made claims that introduce race and religion into the campaign, and supporters of rival Neel Kashkari are not happy about it. KCAL 9 political reporter Bryan joins us now with a look at the GOP side of the race to challenge Governor Jerry Brown. Dave.
This clash has triggered some of the sharpest exchanges I've ever seen among candidates from the same party. The focus of the attack in this case was a Treasury Department seminar in 2008, at which Neel Kashkari, who worked at the Treasury Department at that time, gave the opening remarks. And questions raised by fellow Republican Tim Donnelly have triggered some of the most bitter attacks seen in the campaign so far. State Assemblyman Tim Donnelly has never been shy about shooting from the hip, but his latest salvo at the other major candidate for the Republican nomination for governor has touched off a firestorm within the party. It began when this document, an invitation to a Treasury Department seminar on how to establish capitalist businesses in countries where Sharia law rules, was posted on Donnelly's Facebook page. Kashkari gave the opening remarks at the seminar. On the Facebook page, Donnelly wrote, "We're horrified Kashkari would support Sharia anything." The Kashkari campaign charged Donnelly went even further in a tweet, suggesting that Kashkari had submitted to Muslim Sharia law. Donnelly was on a Santa Cruz radio talk show this week when a senior advisor to the Kashkari campaign called in and took him to task in this heated exchange.
You're trying to say that Kashkari was submitting to Sharia law. You tweeted that. You said that Neel Kashkari's submission to Sharia law. So that's your accusation.
Yeah, those are direct quotes from a Washington Times article. I made no opinion on those. But the bottom line is...
No, listen, gentlemen, hold on.
The debate has created a bitter divide among California Republicans.
Kashkari is Indian. Now, he's a Hindu. He's not even a Muslim. But I'm already starting to get emails from grassroots activists that are like, beware of Kashkari, he wants to stone women and follow Sharia law, and nothing could be further from the truth. And so it's a low point in the campaign.
California Congressman Darrell Issa, who has endorsed Kashkari, fired back at Donnelly, releasing a statement saying, "I was offended and outraged that someone who would run for the highest office in our state would resort to such hateful and disgusting rhetoric. It is crap like this that gives Republicans a bad name, and there is no place in the Republican Party or in this race for someone like Tim Donnelly." Flash Report publisher John Fleischman says he's now having second thoughts.
I have endorsed neither of them. Ideologically, I'm certainly more inclined towards Tim Donnelly, but this kind of incident really brings into question his judgment.
Now, the concern among many Republican activists is that this very harsh debate back and forth between party members may do more damage to the Republican Party and its brand than it's doing to the candidates. Sylvia, Lena?